The full moon on August 22nd, 2021 is a seasonal blue moon, and it also happens to be this year's sturgeon moon. So the next full moon will occur on Sunday, August 22nd, but the moon will appear full the night before and after its peak to the casual stargazer. August's full moon is sometimes known as the sturgeon moon, though it has many other nicknames by different cultures. August's full moon will first appear on the night of Saturday, August 21, before reaching peak illumination at 8:02 AM Eastern Time on Sunday, August 22nd. On either of these nights, look toward the southeast after sunset to catch a glimpse of the sturgeon moon rising. So the full moon names used by the Old Farmer's Almanac come from a number of places, including Native American, Colonial American and European sources. Traditionally, each full moon name was applied to the entire lunar month in which it occurred and not solely to the full moon. The August full moon was traditionally called the sturgeon moon because the giant sturgeon of the Great Lakes were most readily caught during this part of summer. These prehistoric-looking fish have been traced back to around 136 million years ago, and many people call them living fossils. Today, there are about 29 species worldwide, including the lake sturgeon found in the Great Lakes. The lake sturgeon is quite rare today due to intense overfishing in the 19th century, pollution, and damage to their habitat. The word sturgeon means stirrer, which is what this giant fish does when it is looking for food. That is, it stirs up the mud. Also, when looking at the fish, don't forget to notice the pointed snout and whisker-like tactile organs near the mouth. The fishing tribes are given credit for the naming of this moon since sturgeon, a large fish of the Great Lakes and other major bodies of water, were most readily caught during this month. A few tribes knew it as the full red moon because as the moon rises, it appears reddish through any sultry haze. It was also called the green corn moon or grain moon. The lake sturgeon has a greenish-grey color and a pointed snout with two pairs of whisker-like tactile organs dangling near the mouth. It is sometimes called the living fossil as it belongs to a family of fish that has existed for more than 135 million years. Lake sturgeons are extremely long-lived. The males can reach 55 years while the females can live up to 150 years. They can grow to be enormous. They are the American continent's largest fish and can grow to over 2 meters long and weigh around 90 kilos. Lake sturgeons do not live in lakes alone. They also live in rivers but not in the ocean. Today, the lake sturgeon has become one of the rarest fish in North America because of intense overfishing in the 19th century, followed by pollution and damage to their habitat and breeding grounds due to agriculture and lumbering. Nowadays, however, it's almost impossible to see a sturgeon during the full sturgeon moon. While they used to thrive, sturgeons are now considered the single most critically endangered group of species on Earth. Now let us look at some alternative August moon names. Flying up moon is a Cree term describing the time when young birds are finally ready to take the leap and learn to fly. Corn moon, harvest moon and rising moon signify that this is a time to gather maturing crops. The sturgeon moon is also sometimes called the green corn moon. So this year the sturgeon moon is also a seasonal blue moon. So blue moon is not actually blue. According to Farmer's Almanac, it refers to the second of 2 full moons in the same month. It can also refer to the emergence of 4 instead of 3 full moons in a season. When this occurs, the third of the 4 moons is considered the blue moon. Now, talking about traditional followings of the sturgeon moon in China, the full sturgeon moon is known as the Hungry Ghost's moon. Under the full moon, people light lotus-shaped water lanterns and float them on lakes, rivers and pools in order to provide light for lost souls to find their way back into the afterlife. And finally, in North America, Native American tribes also saw the full sturgeon moon as signifying a time of bountiful harvest. So these were some of the facts associated with the sturgeon moon and the seasonal blue moon. So mark the dates and don't miss out watching the seasonal blue moon and the beautiful sturgeon moon on the nights of August 21 and 22. Thank you for watching. Take care and bye-bye.